your domain, sir, is data storage primarily, right?
Yeah.
What are some transformation shifts that are happening because of the fast-moving AI space?
AI space, right? Yeah, great. So the world is talking about AI, and you go to any conference or any summit, everybody's talking about AI. But if you really look at it, see, whether it be the era before artificial intelligence or even now, the underlying infrastructure has always been very critical.
Correct.
However, the media would always focus on what is visible.
What is visible?
Which is the applications of the AI. Now, when it comes to change, see earlier if you look at, there were the applications are very simplistic. There were a
Correct.
3-tier application, front end hoga, back end hoga, and the databases.
Correct.
And mostly it would be sitting on a structured database because it would be RDBMS that would be catered by a simple block device or a file storage. However, now we are looking at object store also because your unstructured data has increased big time. And when you're talking about AI, you might want to create models which is extracting data from your video files or your audio files, right? Your pictures. So you need the kind of storage which can extract or process that kind of data. So what is needed is very high throughput, exceedingly low latency storage systems. And not just that, but the storage system have to be very scalable, highly scalable.
Correct.
Right? अभी simple एक है कि आप हर किसी के हाथ में phone है. Now, if you remember those days when it was to be in KBs, now everybody has 128 GB of phone.
Bare minimum, yeah.
And still वो भी space भर जा रहा है.
Correct.
Now you are now multiply that with the kind of application and the AI. For example, if you want to build an AI on the traffic modeling of your Pune city, आपका सारा recording आप पहले करोगे और उसके बाद उसमें से data extract करोगे. Just look at the magnitude of data that we are talking about.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
So unless your storage system can meet up to your demand of the artificial intelligence, no matter what you do at the top layer, it won't work. It will burn your pockets and still you will end up wasting a model which does not work. Right? So the underlying capacity of data storage and the data storage design is utmost important if you want to ensure your AI systems are successful.
With that, right? AI or building something on top of an existing piece of AI technology, as it is I will not say time consuming now, but it's very resource intensive.
Correct.
Now the storage spaces also are getting complex, right?
Exactly.
On-prem, cloud.
Correct.
वो था ही, अभी उस पे भी बहुत सारे tiers add हो गए हैं. Then you've got the Netflix
of the world. Yeah.
How do we make it more resourceful? Because where I'm coming from is the unit economics, right? So as a startup who's building something in ethical AI, purely in audio, storage and data remains my biggest weapon or the
your main intellectual property. Yes,
is
your bread
data.
and butter. Yes.
Bread and butter is data, which means I'll have to store it properly.
Correct.
Which means the cost.
Correct.
Which means the cost will have to be passed on to the end user, which means I have a huge business problem.
Correct.
What's happening there? How are these resources becoming more resourceful?
Yeah, so very well put, like this is a concern, whether you are a startup or even the large enterprise. If you look at it, see the great, because what is increasing unprecedented is data growth. आप उसको रोक ही नहीं सकते.
Correct.
Just to give you a perspective, 2003 में जो data हम लोग का था, probably 2010 में जो data था, we have grown 200 times. The world has produced that amount of data. Now you will need space to store this kind of data, तो आप उसको रोक ही नहीं सकते. अब point ये है कि how do you prevent cost escalations, right? Now that is where you have to do the checkerboarding and do some balance, strike a balance and trade-offs about what kind of storage you want to build. वहाँ पर फिर आपका tiering आता है, right? Now tiering में probably you cannot have usual जो अगर expertise नहीं है तो आप क्या करोगे, सारा SSD लगा दोगे.
Correct.
परफॉर्मेंस चाहिए तो, या अगर परफॉर्मेंस की जरूरत नहीं है, मेरे को बड़ा स्टोरेज चाहिए तो आप क्या करोगे, स्मॉल स्टोरेज लगा दोगे, राइट? तो लेकिन उसमें भी आपको परफॉर्मेंस नहीं मिलेगा. सो नाउ हाउ कैन यू फाइंड अ मिडिल वे, सो जहाँ पे आपका कॉस्ट भी एस्केलेट ना हो, एट द सेम टाइम परफॉर्मेंस भी आपको मैटर करे. तो दैट्स वेयर हाउ वेल यू डिज़ाइन योर स्टोरेज सिस्टम, दैट वुड मैटर. तो आपको जैसे एक सिंपल ये टियरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी जो है, वेयर यू कैन मूव योर डेटा या ऑर्केस्ट्रेशन, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं डेटा ऑर्केस्ट्रेशन. अगर आप वो सही ढंग से इम्प्लीमेंट करते हो तो योर डेटा कैन मूव एज पर इट्स लाइफ साइकिल मैनेजमेंट. सो लाइफ साइकिल
Correct.
मैनेजमेंट इज अनदर
Yeah.
एरिया विच हैज कम अप बिग टाइम. सो जैसे जैसे नेसेसिटी हुई तो उसका इन्वेंशन भी हुआ.
Correct,
तो
correct.
टीयरिंग पहले नहीं था, अब टीयरिंग आ गया. लाइफ साइकिल मैनेजमेंट पहले नहीं था, अब आ गया.
अब आ गया.
बट हाउ डू यू इम्प्लीमेंट दैट, राइट? और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट जो है आप देखेंगे तो नॉट जस्ट इन टेक्नोलॉजी बट इवन इन योर होटल्स और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एवरीवेयर द ग्रेटेस्ट कॉस्ट लाइज इन ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज.
Absolutely.
And storage as a technology and storage consultants are very costly to hire.
Is it?
Absolutely, because it's a very niche technology, right? So finding a, probably I was speaking to one of my friend and he was talking कि अगर अगर देखेंगे भी तो पूरे दुनिया भर में 5,000 लोग होंगे जो स्टोरेज पे काम करते हैं.
Oh.
It is that niche, right? So the cost of storage engineers is very high. Good storage engineers who can build and design systems. एंड उसके बाद आपका स्टोरेज कॉस्ट के बाद में फिर देन यू हैव हाउ डू यू मैनेज एंड डिज़ाइन. एक इसमें ये है कि अच्छा स्टोरेज सिस्टम इंजीनियर क्या करेगा, इफ़ यू आर ओपन, आपका ओपन सोर्स लेवरेज करेगा, कम्युनिटी हार्डवेयर लेवरेज करेगा.
करेक्ट.
राइट. सो वेंडर लॉक इन जो है वो आपको प्रीमियम चार्ज करेंगे. तो अगर आपको वहाँ नहीं करना है तो लाइक व्हाट वी डू एट डेटानियर्स, वी प्रोवाइड दैट कॉस्ट बेनिफिट बाय लेवरेजिंग ओपन सोर्स एंड कम्युनिटी हार्डवेयर या इवन रिफर्बिश्ड हार्डवेयर ऑल्सो. राइट. सो उसमें जो लाइफ बचा हुआ है वी ट्राई टू एक्सट्रैक्ट जूस फ्रॉम दैट. और जहाँ पर हम लोगों ने कस्टमर का 70% तक 70% ऑफ द कॉस्ट वी हैव रिड्यूस्ड.
My God.
So that is the kind of solutions that we create, and we Dataneers are doing that. How you can reduce the cost with the same performance, reliability, and scalability.
So Amit, do you see a future where a company could pass on the, I will not say the burden, but the value of the storage to the end consumer in a manner that if I want to access or use a company's product, depending on the kind of storage space that I have with me, the company is going to charge me. Do you see that future?
I am not quite sure that, and the reason I say that I'm not quite sure is because the awareness about data storage is very minuscule still. Right? Most of people focus on applications और artificial intelligence. और usually storage की जब बात आती है तो भाई sysadmin देख लेगा.
Correct.
बट sysadmin के पास भी वो एक्सपर्टीज है स्टोरेज का या नहीं
होना
है.
चाहिए,
See, आपको सिक्योरिटी इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सो यू हैव स्पेशलाइज्ड सिक्योरिटी इंजीनियर्स,
Correct.
यू हैव स्पेशलाइज्ड प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियर्स. बट आप देखोगे तो कहीं पे भी स्टोरेज इंजीनियर्स का बात नहीं आता है.
Correct.
राइट. और क्योंकि एरिया भी बहुत निश है. सो एज अ टेक एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, इफ समबडी वांट्स टू understand the whole costing or the economics of storing your data, you need to understand storage, if not from a tech point of view, at least from a cost point of view.
Cost point of view.
Right? And then once you understand that, you can make better decisions. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं data driven decisions.
Correct.
And then once your economics of your storage is sorted, probably then you can pass on those cost advantage to your customers.
Listen, do you think the new generation that is getting ready or about to enter market, do you think they should pursue data storage engineering, not data engineering, data storage engineering
Yeah.
as a career option? Do you think it's lucrative?
That's a fantastic career option. I'll tell you, in India and in abroad, storage engineers or data storage engineers are hotcakes.
Is it?
Irrespective of your markets, your whatever the industry is going towards, because it's a very niche skill. If you talk about any fundamental technology, even if let us talk about cloud, everybody's talking about cloud.
Correct.
But cloud के पीछे underlying क्या है?
Storage.
Storage है.
Yeah.
Right? Now they have intelligently crafted storage and built a layer, and they're talking about cloud storage. Right? Ultimately नीचे हार्ड डिस्क ही है और उसके ऊपर का जो फाइल सिस्टम लेयर है या वॉल्यूम मैनेजर, जो डिस्क मैनेजमेंट लेयर है वही है. थोड़ा बहुत चेंज हुआ है बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एडवांसमेंट्स. राइट. और कर्नल. सो दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी निश एरिया. It requires very deep skills. Anybody who is interested in pursuing a career in data storage should be very strong in, if they have to go to a developer side, they have to be very strong in algorithms and logic and data structures. And if you are looking at somebody from a solutioning point of view, then you have to have very solid experience in managing the storage systems in a large data center. Right? So experience and education and the very solid fundamentals are the key to you becoming a very good storage engineer. And once you are that, probably with a 5 years, 6 years of experience, perhaps you are at the top of the the salary bracket when it comes
Oh.
to earning.
Nice.
And media won't highlight this
Why do you say so?
because it's
No,
a niche
it's
technology.
reality, of course.
It's because your niche technology. See, अभी आप एक बात बताएंगे, अभी कार मैन्युफैक्चरर, so media will highlight कि कार का ये फीचर्स है, बट उसके नीचे के इंजन में जो फाइन ट्यूनिंग हुआ है, they won't do that unless there is a
Massive change or
हाँ,
tech
right, या
enhancement.
वो भी उसमें भी वो एप्लीकेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ही बात करेंगे,
Correct.
because they won't get into niche of it, right? So similarly, so every niche area is always underlying under the hood.
So for someone who's not from this domain, but now because of tech, and this is a typical ideal middle-aged, middle-class Indian persona I'm talking about. People in the age group of 35 to 40,
Hmm.
right? They have realized कि अब तक जो किया पिछले 15, 20, 22 साल में वो सब
हाँ.
irrelevant हो चुका है
Relevant हो गया,
because tech आ गया.
correct.
But they don't have the patience, resources, energy and time
हाँ,
to spend another 3-4 years.
yes,
तब तक टेक्नोलॉजी और आगे निकल जाएगी.
correct.
Do you think this domain of yours, which is data storage, engineering or management, or design at least, is a go-to space for them? Can they spend little time and learn while at it?
First thing is if they are interested, definitely, right? लेकिन इसमें एक बार आप तो इस एंट्री बैरियर ज़्यादा है बिकॉज आपका जो लर्निंग कर्व है बहुत ज़्यादा है,
बहुत स्टीप है.
बहुत स्टीप है, राइट? आप क्लाउड आपने कोई सर्टिफिकेशन कर लिया एंड यू गेट योर फुट स्टेप ऑन इनटू योर क्लाउड वर्ल्ड. हाउएवर स्टोरेज में एक तो ये है कि मटेरियल नहीं मिलता पढ़ने के लिए, एक्सपीरियंस नहीं मिलता है,
Exactly.
राइट? आपको
Resources,
कोहोर्ट
yeah.
और सबसे ज़्यादा जो सीखना होता है वो आपका कोहोर्ट में होता है.
Correct.
जैसे व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग, राइट, सो आई पहले तो वर्क फ्रॉम वगैरह ज़्यादा होता ही नहीं था, राइट? सो आपको आपके टीम में काम करना है. आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग डेटा स्टोरेज सिटिंग इनटू डेटा सेंटर्स फॉर आवर्स टुगेदर.
Wow.
So I was a part of Veritas, and when I joined, so I volunteered to my manager that I want to manage our storage system. So हमारा जो करीबन I would say 50,000 स्क्वायर फीट का डेटा सेंटर था हमारा अपना कैप्टिव, एंड विच हैड अराउंड 500 to 600 सर्वर्स. उस टाइम पे हमारे 10-15 TB के स्टोरेज, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 15-20 ईयर्स अगो, वहाँ पर हमारे 15 TB 20 TB का स्टोरेज रहता था जिसमें स्टोरेज एरेज रहते थे. तो जब मैं पहली बार मैंने देखा तो ये जो कंसेप्ट है कि आपका हार्ड डिस्क बाहर भी हो सकता है, ये भी मेरे को पता नहीं था. दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन टू डेटा स्टोरेज, राइट? एंड वी लर्नड आवर क्राफ्ट सिटिंग ऑन दोस मतलब चिली एयर कंडीशनड
Correct.
data
Rooms,
centers,
yeah.
playing around with those hefty storage systems, be it the arrays, the switches, and the
Correct.
servers, the HBAs of the world. That's how we honed our skills. If somebody has that passion to do that and restart that at the age of 35 to 40,
Why not?
why not? Right?
Right.
So that is the kind of what do you say, the kickstart that you need. And then of course then you have to go back to your reading table and start reading books, the fundamentals of your systems, the Linux internals and so on, and that's how you start building your capability.
Do you see AI, rather do you think that AI will expedite the learning process?
It can certainly, because even for preparation, while I was preparing to speak at this session, right? So we know a lot of things about storage, but then you need some pointers to begin with.
Yeah.
Structured information.
Correct.
So that it has become so easy. Otherwise, अगर आप Google search करोगे या
हाँ,
documents
correct.
ढूंढोगे, so the time it would take to search, probably it has halved, or probably 1/10 of the time you spend. You
Correct.
just have to interact with. So they can point to the right resource, you refer to it, and you build your talk. So definitely AI is a great enabler to expedite your learning curve.
Great. Thanks, Amit. This was a very interesting, peppy, short conversation. I look
Yeah.
forward to many more such conversations.
Absolutely.
Lengthy ones, and I want to
Sure.
particularly understand from you about storage design.
Yeah. And it's a very interesting and exciting world.
Correct.
Once you get into it, and I'll tell you what gives us a kick. If your time permits, just
course.
30 seconds. See, if a company comes up and tells us that their application is not performing properly, and they figured that they have done everything they could from a developer side, and they were still not able to find out where is the bottleneck. And that's what gives me adrenaline rush कि अब ये मेरा है, राइट एंड
There's a storage
जहाँ पे
problem.
एप्लीकेशन डेवलपर का काम खत्म होता है, हमारा काम वहाँ से शुरू होता है.
Correct.
We go to the deep down and look at the whole stack where exactly is the bottleneck. And the greatest kick that you get is when you have figured out this is a bottleneck, you solve it and the problem is solved. And the application is working fantastically fine. That is our greatest, what do you say, of course, the money part, but then the pleasure of solving a problem is the greatest motivation to be in the industry.
So that's a very interesting problem that I
Yes,
also would
yes.
want to know about. But we'll have this conversation once again on the show,
Sure,
Amit.
sure.
Thanks for your time. And
My pleasure.
Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time.
Yes.
Thank you.